now I'm doing this with my new gimbal today. So, and I think my buddy Scott Malone for hooking me up with this thing. So I got her up in the air again, as you can see. And we'll get up under, I guess, a few things. I'm gonna take off the top because I am gonna take off the radiator shroud, bridge and everything, so because I'm gonna remove the fans. You get so much more room when you remove the fans, and it's not that big of a deal to get them out of there. Let me get started on this thing, and we'll keep y'all updated and give y'all, you know, some pointers if you're trying to do this yourself. And I am going just with the stock harmonic balancer, nothing special, because he's not doing nothing in the future. He's just staying stock. But I am gonna put a new oil seal because she's going to need it. Okay, you can see I got the top of it off. And y'all can see how dirty this is in there. So I'm gonna get this vacuumed out and get her all cleaned up, get these radiators blown out, and put her back the way she was. Now to remove these is, let's see, 2 10mm throttle body. So take your bolts, y'all, just a good burr, put them back in the holes. Let's get the belt off of it and go to the next part. We'll get this blown out after we finish all that. So, all right. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how much room you got. You see what I'm talking about. The room that you have for the when you remove the fans. You can see, you know what I'm. Yeah, there's a lot of room to get to this. Now you get a lot of room. Now remember, put your bolts back where they go. Around here, got them things off of there, and okay, here's where I'm at. Got it all off, got that held up with a bungee cord out the way. I'm about to take the steering rack off. That'll give me more room in the bottom. And take your time, do it right. You know, it's I'm gonna try not to, well, I don't have to jack the motor up, get the cradle, you know, loose. I'm hoping I don't have to, but if I have to, it's gonna be hard to, because it kicked my butt for today. But I did get all the hydraulic lines off of the rack. The rack's ready to pull out. Just got to drop the cradle. It's not going to work without dropping the cradle. So you see, you got 2 lines that you need, an 18mm. You're going to need a short stubby line wrench and a stubby. So try to do this without it, because you're going to curse a lot. I'm going to call it a night. I'm tired. Get back at it tomorrow a little bit before I go to work. So drop the cradle tomorrow and go ahead and pull that rack and pinion out. I'll get that harmonic balancer off and get the seal in. They do have the seal in stock, but it only comes in a full kit, so not a big deal. Anyway, good night. Stay tuned for part 2, y'all.